Good evening friends, welcome to Investments and Trading channel. Now we are going to discuss on Nifty and Bank Nifty prediction and analysis for tomorrow's trading session. Initially we can start our analysis with Nifty and how it was traded as per our analysis for today's trading session. If you see our trend line, we have mentioned clearly from past 3 to 4 times 15,770 to 780. This is a very good resistance zone for Nifty, and until and unless if Nifty crosses 15,810 to 830 levels, we can't see a up move in the Nifty. This is the yesterday's videos update I have given as per the up move. And if you see here today, the market opened and it went to a high of 15,778, which is exact to our level, and from there if you see there, we can see a fall which is almost 15,778 to 15,680. Here, as per my analysis, who have traded the Salon rise statement, they would have earned almost 2k to 2.5k rupees easily in the early morning session of the market. And from there, if you see, I mentioned clearly, if market opens a gap up, then we need to consider the level where it has closed and the previous close. The previous close was 15,670 to 680 levels. We have a close in this value, and even in our Telegram channel I mentioned clearly, if market sustains the level of 15,680 to 670, we can see a support level from there and it will go upside. The same thing will happen after I gave update in the Telegram. Within 5 to 10 minutes it came to 15,680 level, and exactly at 15,680 level it took a reversal, and from there if you see here, there is no movement in the market. Continuously the market is in the sideways. It didn't cross the resistance level and it didn't break the support level too. So today the market is in sideways continuously, and only the option sellers has gained the profit after the fall from our initial analysis. So how the tomorrow's trading session will be for Nifty, now we can discuss on that. For tomorrow's trading session, we can plan our trading based on the market movement. If the Nifty crosses the level of 15,825 and it should sustain above 15,800, and we need to consider the chart of 30 minutes chart. If the market sustains above 15,800 in the 30 minutes chart, then one can take a CE call after 15,825. In the other case, the closing of Nifty was 15,740. So if you consider our levels again, 15,770 to 780, and after touching this, if the market didn't sustain there, you need to consider the 15 minutes candle, and from there if you see two red candles continuously, then you can plan your trade on PE side. And when you are planning your trade, you should plan as per my view. This is 15,780 level, and we have two red candles in this way. So after two red candles, the next 15 minutes candle will go upside, and when it is moving towards 15,780, there you need to consider the PE call. Don't worry for the market if you are finding two red candles and the next 15 minutes candle can be a green candle, but whether is it supporting, is it taking the resistance at 15,780, and we can see a fall here in this way. So you should consider your trade accordingly, and for this trade you can keep a stop loss of 15,810 level. If the Nifty crosses 15,810 level, then you can exit from the trade. This is the PE call where you can consider in the Nifty. And now we are coming to our support and resistance levels. As the Nifty has closed at 15,740, we can consider our regular support levels from past 3 days, which is 770 to 780 is the initial support. If it crosses where I mentioned exactly, it should cross the level of 15,825 and it should sustain around 1 hour to move upside. This is the another resistance level. If these two resistance it crosses, the next resistance will be 15,920 to 950. So if the Nifty sustains above 15,825, you can consider 50 point to 60 point rally in the Nifty. And now we are coming to the support levels. If the market opens below, which means a gap down, or after opening flat, if it comes down, you will get the support level where I have mentioned today, which is 15,680. If the market breaks this level 15,680, which means 670 to 680, if it breaks the level, our next support was 15,610. So again our trade plan should be, if Nifty closes 15,680 below, Nifty comes 15,680 below, here you need to see your 15,680 below a 5 minutes candle. If the 5 minutes candle is there below our 15,680 level and the next candle is opening in red and it's there in the similar way, then you can plan your trade easily and your target will be 15,610. And even if doesn't take the 15,610 level, we can see another level of 15,550 to 520. This is the another support level. So if it comes below 15,680 and if it sustains with two red candles, then you can plan your trade accordingly on PE side. So finally on Nifty, CE side will be 15,825 above. On PE side 15,670 to 680 below. And if these two levels didn't consider, you need to see the breakout of 30 minutes candle. So for example, the market opened at 9:15, then you need to wait till 9:45. After 9:45, you need to mark your high and low. If this is the high and this is the low, wait for the breakout of high and low. Plan your trade accordingly in the breakout range, but you should not go for the higher values, higher profits here. So this is the trade plan for Nifty. Now we will go for the Bank Nifty. Yesterday I mentioned clearly at the value of 35,463 in the Bank Nifty, which means 460 to 470. If you see here, today the market opened around that value and after breaking down, if you see here, two red candles. After breaking, you can see the profit, how much it has given. And today in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, if someone view my video yesterday, they earned the profit within less time and the profit was huge. This is the profit who have viewed, and even I gave a PE call in our Telegram channel, and there also sudden raise has been happened, and I gave a PE at 35,300 at 275, and from there within minutes only it came more than 400 plus, which means around 2.5k to 3k profit within 10-15. Before even 10 minutes we got a profit. And now we will go for our analysis on tomorrow's trading session. For tomorrow's trading session, as I said, similarly to yesterday, our main support level was 35,000 to 35,050. This is the support level I have given yesterday, and after the fall continuously the market is in sideways at the same level, and today low was 34,950 to 960 level. So if the market opens in a gap up case, we should wait till 35,300 above. If the market crosses 35,300 level and it sustains there, then one can enter into their CE call for 100 points, and this is the case for flat to upside or gap up case. But when the market is having flat to downside or gap down, then you need to see the level initially at 34,930 to 950. In this level the market gets support. If the market didn't get the support in this level, and if it is going down, then 34,900 below we can see a very good fall in the Bank Nifty again tomorrow. Please make a note, 34,900 below if market sustains, then we can see a fall almost up to 34,500 to 34,550. We can see a fall up to similar way like today, but it should break the level and it sustains at the down, then only we can consider this level. So in the upside we can take a CE call after sustaining at 35,300 above for 100 points or more than 100, but as a safe player we can consider for 100 points. And after crossing 35,300, our initial resistance was today's level 35,450 to 500 was the initial resistance. If it crosses that level, the another resistance was 35,650 to 700, and the coming resistance if still it crosses 35,700 to 800 to 850. And in the long term I have mentioned clearly the Bank Nifty can be in the upside after crossing 36,000 or at least 35,900 above. Till the time the bank nifty is in weak, I have mentioned clearly yesterday on the long term view of bank nifty. So now we are coming to the downside. We can consider a PE call at 34,900. If it didn't sustain the level of 34,900, you can view even this on the 5 minutes candle or in the breakout zone after 30 minutes candle high and low. Based on the 30 minutes candle high and low, every 30 minutes chart, you can see whether the formation in this way is this taking a breakout or it is in the sideways. And one more thing, if the market is having a high here and forming a low here, from here if it is like this, the market will be in continuously in the sideways, and you can trade your plan accordingly. On the sell side means whoever can take a sell position with high capital, they can be an option seller. Finally, now we are going to discuss on the bank nifty support and resistance levels. In the higher time frame, the bank nifty should cross 36,000, then only we can see the up move. Because if you see continuously, the bank nifty is trading at the higher levels, and in the higher levels it was not sustaining. The higher levels are around 35,600 to 650 to 35,800 to 900. So if the bank nifty is going to 35,650 to 35,850, it has a very good supply zone here. So from there we are getting a fall. So that is the reason, if the bank nifty at least sustains above 35,900 or 36,000, we can see a up move, as it has a supply zone of 35,650 to 35,900 as a supply zone. And that is the reason even I informed you above 35,300, if you are planning a trade and if it goes above 100 points, you should plan your trade. But in the downside, below 34,900, I have mentioned you can get even 150 200 points also, based on your risk. That's it for the bank nifty and nifty analysis for tomorrow's trading session. When you are planning for a trade, kindly consult your financial advisor to invest, as all our ideas for educational purpose. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis along with short-term stocks. Thank you one and all.